Hello, welcome to American School of English Language, guys. In this video, we will talk about IELTS writing parameter, how IELTS assess your writing, and what parameters IELTS use to give you band in writing. So let's proceed. But before we move on, guys, please subscribe my channel so you could receive weekly updates about my channel. So let's move on, guys. There are four different parameters for IELTS writing. First one is task response. Second one is coherence and cohesion. Third one is lexical resource. It's also called as vocabulary. Fourth one is grammatical range and accuracy is also called as grammar. So let's discuss each of them individually. So what is task response? Task response says fully addresses all part of the task, like you need to fully answer all part of the question in either in task 1 or task 2. Presents a clear position throughout the response, like if it is an agree and disagree essay, you should have a very clear position. Either are you agreeing or disagreeing. So the third one is present, extend, and support main ideas. Like you have the supporting arguments to support your main ideas, right? Like you need to give reason, example to support your main ideas. So that's all included in task response. So let's see what is the next one. Yeah, it says coherence and cohesion. This is basically the structure of the assets. What it says logically organizes information and idea. There is a clear progression of ideas. What does it mean by clear progression? It means that there should be a sequence of statement, like sequence of ideas. Your statement should flow in a cycle. Each statement should be supporting to each other. You cannot just write random statement, like one statement is not supporting to the right. That's not how you write in the IELTS. You should have a clear progression, like your ideas should be supporting to each other. The next one is present a clear central topic within each paragraph. Your each paragraph should have a clear central topic. Like usually like first paragraph is introduction. You need to talk about introduction. The last one is conclusion. So that's how your body paragraph also have a central topic. Use a range of cohesive devices appropriately. Only where it is necessary. We have a lot of cohesive devices which we can use in your writing in task 1 or task 2, but only where it's necessary. Let's see what these are cohesive devices are. Okay, these cohesive devices include firstly, secondly, finally, moreover, in addition, furthermore, also, however, for instance, for example, besides, equally, in my opinion, including, etc. You don't need to write all of them, but at least write one in each of your paragraph, but only. This is also a condition that only where it is appropriate, where it makes sense, there you need to use these cohesive devices to connect your ideas. You cannot write them unnecessarily. If you do this, it will also bring your band down. So that's you need to be smart here. So let's see what is the next one. Yeah, next one says lexical resource is vocabulary. What you don't need really advanced vocabulary in IELTS, but at least you should know some synonym that you don't have to repeat the one word again and again. Like so, it says use a wide range of vocabulary fluently and flexibly to convey precise meanings. Use less common lexical items with some awareness of style and collocation. Rare minors in spelling and word formation. So if you even have some rare errors in spelling and word formation, this is okay. You still can get 9 band in lexical resource if you even have minor errors in spelling and word formation. So that's a good news for you. So let's see the next one now. Okay, the fourth parameter is grammatical range and accuracy. This is where most of the students struggle and lower their bands. So you need to see what actually is in grammatical range and accuracy. It says uses different types of words. So we should be know different types of word, how we use them according to our IELTS writing. Uses a variety of complex and compound structure with full flexibility and accuracy. So guys, IELTS has strictly said in descriptor that if you want to get more than 7 band or more than 7, you need to use both complex and compound structure. So this is very important if you want to get 7 band. This is where most of the students struggle. They don't know how to use them how to use them. Even they try to use them, they don't use them properly. So you need to learn how to use complex and compound structure if you want to get 7 or more bands in IELTS writing. The next one is good control of grammar and punctuation. Punctuation is also where most of the students struggle. They don't know where to use comma, where to use the semicolon, and this is where they bring down their overall band. So you need to improve your punctuation. And the next one is rare errors. You still can make some rare errors in grammatical range, and you can get 9 bands in grammatical range. So that's it, guy. I hope you like my video. I will be back with another video. Thank you very much.